Welcome! If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search wheel, and type green Apple keyboard. We have to install this application from Arvin Apps. Right now we can open, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times, go back, switch input methods, tap to switch for English United States keyboard and tap finish. As you can see when we are here right now, we got different theme of our keyboard and it looks very close to the original iOS theme. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.